For nearly a decade, the X24 has been the benchmark for what a 24-foot towboat can be. Bold, powerful, unstoppable. But leading the category for that long isn't long enough. You don't just rest at the top. You reassess and then lap the competition all over again. So nearly 10 years after the original X24 reset expectations, we took it back to the foundation, reimagined every inch. From hull to helm, from tech to trim. Feature by feature, detail by detail. Every decision deliberate. The result is a boat with stronger performance, sharper control, and a presence you feel before you even fire the engine. This is the all-new X24. When you build a boat that defines a generation, you don't follow it up with more of the same. You challenge everything. Every line, every seat, every angle. You strip it back, rebuild it, and raise the bar again. Proof of that intention is evident from the moment you see it. Sculpted side strakes, automotive level finishes, a profile that's aggressive without being overdone. All the little details whose whole is far greater than the sum of its parts. Before we dive into the interior, let's start behind the boat, where the X24 earns its reputation. Our proprietary and world-renowned SurfStar system produces massive, clean, and customizable waves. Presets let beginners get going instantly, while Custom Surf gives pros full control over wave shape and push. Ballast fills in minutes, waves form quickly, transfers are seamless. Foilers, wake surfers, wakeboarders, seasoned pros and first-timers alike all get a ride that's effortless and predictable. It reminds the rest of the industry why our legacy is untouchable. When you're done behind the boat, the X24 welcomes you with the most intentional transom the X family has ever seen. Completely reimagined with oversized loungers, it gives you a place to kick back that's every bit as thought out as the waves it throws. Underneath, you'll find dual rear compartments that house padded, removable board bags, smart storage that keeps gear protected and out of the way. The fully zippered board bags slide out on integrated tracks and each hold 2 boards, all at arm's reach. Just forward of the loungers, additional storage compartments are tucked right where you need them, perfect for ropes, dock lines, or shoes. Every detail back here has been built around convenience, from integrated cup holders to a flip-down swim step and seamless ingress and egress. Step inside and the first thing that hits you is space. We push the gunnels out to maximize every inch of interior volume, so this boat feels massive. The interior is a single, unified statement. Upholstery designs, sculpted seating, lighted alcoves, metal detailing. You'll feel the difference immediately. Every line and material works together. All intentional, all beautiful. And when you start using it, you realize how much thought went into the details. You've got storage everywhere, plus integrated phone chargers, cup holders, storage cubbies, and speaker grills, all designed to hide in plain sight, yet they look so good you can't help but notice them. Even the smallest touches, like drain channels beneath every compartment, reflect a level of engineering obsession that other brands overlook. With room for up to 17 people, this is a crew-friendly, ultra-social layout, with every seat sporting the legendary MasterCraft comfort and ergonomics that you've come to know. Deep, supportive, angled just right, with optional cool-feel vinyl and heated seats. And if you're lucky enough to claim the observer seat, a dedicated display puts control of in-boat functions like lighting, audio, and more right at your fingertips. A rare feature in this industry, but right at home in a MasterCraft. The entire space is designed for more people, more comfort, and more connection, and truly elevates everyday usability. At the heart of it all is the helm, a complete redesign rooted in precision, comfort, and pride, all in equal measure. Dual digital displays steal the show. A 15-inch panoramic screen in the center, and off to its right, a 12-inch touchscreen angled perfectly toward the driver. Together, they make managing surf, speed, ballast, cameras, and audio as simple as a tap or two. And at your fingertips, MasterCraft MyDrive. It makes controlling all of those settings on the go even easier thanks to a rotary dial and hotkeys. But hardware is only half the story. The software is equally as refined. The entire user interface is clean, intuitive, and instant, with easy-to-navigate menus and hubs for surf settings, rider profiles, maps, lighting, audio, and our 4-camera system, all layered in a way that's effortless to read and command. Even transfers for your surfer are integrated into the right-hand display with a large on-screen countdown so they never miss the beat. The helm seat itself is all new, mounted on a redesigned base that eliminates movement. Supportive, premium, and available with power adjustability, it's a throne worthy of the X24 captain and promises all-day comfort. Add in the optional stern thruster, and you're maneuvering this powerhouse like you've been driving it your whole life. Wireless charging, a valuables drawer, keyless ignition, sleep and away modes, and thoughtfully placed cubbies round out a helm that's as practical as it is sculptural. The entire helm experience is intuitive, powerful, and makes driving the X24 just as fun as riding behind it. Up front, the bow continues the story. Deep, sculpted seating that's ergonomic from every angle. A filler cushion to create an even more expansive space. Fold-down armrests for versatility. And integrated fixed armrests to keep riders locked in even during hard turns. Storage is just as thoughtful here, including a dedicated anchor locker with its own hidden cleat. No lifting cushions, no dripping mud or weeds into the interior. Close the hatch and it's gone. Seamless, simple, and built the way it always should have been. Above it all, the Z9 tower, all new, fully powered, fully loaded, and exclusive to the redesigned X24. Even from a distance, it's commanding. 7 powder coat colors, anodized accents, and a profile that elevates the entire boat. Get closer and the details stand out even more. Integrated hooks for vests and towels, subtle upholstery inlays, and the ability to personalize with board racks, sound pods, and projector lights. As for the bimini, you've got options. The Heritage Bimini offers classic looks and shade, or you can opt for the premium rigid bimini for a cleaner silhouette and extended coverage. With either, you're getting a bimini capable of carrying 4 or more boards overhead. Beneath the hatch, serious muscle waits. The X24 comes standard with Ilmore's 6.2-liter GDI engine, delivering 430 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Strong, relentless, plenty of pull. But if plenty isn't in your vocabulary, there's the available Ilmore 6.2-liter supercharged, the world's most powerful towboat engine, with 630 horsepower, 665 pound-feet of torque, and all the grin-inducing acceleration you can handle. Whichever you choose, you're getting proven performance that's always repeatable, always reliable, always MasterCraft. And because no day on the water is complete without a soundtrack, every X24 comes standard with all-new soundstage audio, powered by Meridian. It transforms the entire boat into a high-performance, fully immersive sound experience. Precision tuned by zone, Soundstage combines intelligent speaker placement, acoustic shaping, and beautifully integrated design. The result is crisper, richer, more balanced audio that outperforms anything else out there. And for an even bigger impact, Available Max gives you the first ever full transom sound system, delivering premium audio directly to your surfers. And with built-in telematics, your X24 stays connected even when you're not. Run remote diagnostics, check on systems, or power off the battery straight from the MasterCraft Connect app. That's the X24. Strong, confident, impossible to ignore. From its exclusive Z9 tower to its sculpted finishes and rear storage system, the X24 is engineered with intent. Not just to hold 17 people, not just to throw pro-level wakes and waves, but to deliver an experience that feels as massive as it looks. Every touch point, every detail, every decision. The kind that proves this boat was built to be more. Ready to experience it for yourself? Find your dealer, book a demo, and meet the boat that rebuilt the standard. Head to mastercraft.com to get started.